In this video, we'll show you how to download songs or music using Google Chrome on your phone. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, you can follow these simple steps. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Start by opening Google Chrome on your phone. Then visit a website that offers royalty-free music. One great option is Pixabay, but you can also use other similar sites. Once you're on Pixabay, navigate to the music section. You can scroll down or use the search bar to find it. Here, you'll see a collection of free music tracks available for download. Before downloading, you can preview any track by clicking the play button on the left. If you find a track you like, simply click the download button on the right. The file will start downloading immediately and you'll see a notification confirming that the download is in progress. Once the download is complete, you can open the file directly from your Chrome notifications or find it in your Files app. If you're using Android, go to the Downloads folder and you'll see the file at the top of the list. Tap on it and you're ready to play your music anytime. And that's it. Now you have your music downloaded and ready to enjoy. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.